Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I want to show you the single serve 40 ounces coffee maker that this brand sent to me for this video. That's my cat. I don't know what she's doing, but she's part of the video now. The thing about this one is that it's one single serve. I mean, it's not one single serve. It has 40 ounces of water, so you can make plenty of coffee, but it's just one single coffee. It's not going to be like an espresso, or it's not going to be just like multiple mugs, multiple cups, something like that. It's going to be just a single serve, so it's going to be really good for like in the morning, if you're running out of time and you just like one single special one shot coffee, you can get this one with a strong coffee or a kind of like a soft coffee as well. It has tons of things right here. You can boil, you can actually do the hot brew, you can do the cold one as well. And it also comes with this one over here, which is detachable. You can actually detach this milk frother. So that's really good in case that you want to use it as well. We're not going to use it today, but you can just press the button and it's going to work properly just like that. You're going to keep pressing just like this and it's going to keep working perfectly no matter what. So you can actually do that. It uses the same connection, so it's not rechargeable or anything like that. It comes with kind of like a metal part over there that will attach to the inside, but then you can just do that, or you can plug a USB-C cable if you want on that USB-C port that comes in the back, and you like a manual, like, I don't know, something like that. You don't have to. But the thing about this one is that you can use capsules or you can use ground coffee as well, like this one, for example. Both things, you can make them both. So let's actually make a coffee right now so you can see this one better. So we have our coffee here already. We're gonna do a black strong coffee. So we put this one right here, make sure that it's in the right position. This one's gonna go inside. It's gonna keep getting hot, and then you're gonna select kind of like the ounces. You can select like it's gonna be like 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 24 ounces, and then let's do it. Let's put our mug over here, let it actually heat up a little bit. And remember, you can do the hot brew, you can do the bold, you can do over ice. Select the ounces. Again, we're gonna put 8 ounces, just that. We're not gonna be super big. And we hit hot brew. It's gonna heat up. And after a few seconds, we golden, nice, black, crispy coffee. It's gonna start pouring some more water in just a little bit. You can see some of that vapor there, some of that steam coming from the actual mug because it's a hot one. So then after that one, you can just like open it up and you can wash it, you can rinse it, repeat. You can do the milk frother, and you should have your own coffee machine, like your own single serve coffee. What's happening with my cat? You're not gonna drink coffee, baby, come on. But you have your own single coffee maker, quick one, that is gonna heat up in seconds, about like 20 seconds or more than that, for that morning coffee that you need every single time. Like it, fast, easy, reliable, and convenient to have.